In this video, I'm going to show you how to build this application here in under 5 minutes using AI. This is by far the easiest way to build Android applications using AI that I've found so far. It's so easy that anyone can do it. Using this method, you can go from a plan or concept of a plan to a full mobile application in less than 5 minutes.
So just a yes or no, you still do not have a plan?
I have concepts of a plan.
The best part about this is you don't even have to pay anything because it's completely free. So please give me a few minutes of your time and I'll show you how to do this. Before we get started, please like the video and subscribe to help me blow up the channel. Thank you. Okay, the first thing you'll need to do is install Flutter. I have a video here on how to install Flutter on your PC. I promise this is much easier than it looks. Flutter is one of the easiest cross-platform technologies. It basically allows you to build apps for Android, the web, and iOS devices on one code base. In this video, I show you a step-by-step guide on how to install it and how to set up your first Flutter project. Okay, once you follow the video, you are going to have Android Studio installed and you're going to have your code running here and you are going to have an emulator displaying our application. This is the default Flutter application. So we have our code here and we have our application running here. You can press this button here to increase the counter. Don't get intimidated by the code here because we're not going to be touching this ourselves. We are going to be using AI to modify all this for us. So what I'm going to do is basically go to my browser and in here I'm simply going to open Claude Code because this is the best coding AI. As of the recording of this video, you can see that I'm using the free plan. I'm not paying for this yet. So I have a prompt that I'm going to use to build our application. So what I'm going to do is pull out that prompt, copy and paste. This is our prompt. I'm going to have this prompt in a text document in the video description. It's just a simple prompt to build a BMI application. So I'm just saying that you're an expert. You have to build a beautiful app for me that is production ready using Material UI. This app should feel like something that can be published in the Google Play Store, not a beginner tutorial, and so on and so forth. I'm just gonna give it this prompt and wait for it to generate the result for me. You can basically use any AI agent for this, but I like Claude because it produces better results. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can turn this into an actual APK that you can install on an actual phone. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we have our application here. It basically created everything. Once it has created everything, it will tell you what it has done and it will give you a zip folder in here. So I'm just gonna download this and show you how to run it. What I'll do is simply open it and inside you're gonna have all the files for the application. You're gonna have your constants, your model, your screens, your theme, your widgets and stuff like that. Inside our screens, you're gonna have our home screen and all the other placeholders. So to run this, we can simply extract it. So what I'll do is simply copy this folder into my desktop. And then close this one. We don't need it anymore. In here, what I'm gonna do is click here and click on close project and click on here terminate. And then in here, what I can do is click on open project and then navigate to our folder here. So I'm gonna select this one and click on select folder to open our project. I'll just click on trust because we trust the project and then maximize this. So in here, this is the code for our application as you can see here. So when you open it, you're gonna see some error lines here. The main one being this one here as you can see. So we cannot run our app before we resolve this. To resolve it, we simply click on our pub/spec file here and then click on pub/get here to download that package. And boom, I think all our packages are installed. So what I'm going to do is go back to main.dat here and you'll see that all the errors are gone. So to run our app, what I simply do is select here and then choose our phone instead of Windows there and then click on play here to start compiling our application. So when we try to run our application, we get this error here and it's saying that please check your desktop/android.manifest for errors. So what I'm going to do is go back to my file here and see if our android.manifest file exists. And as you can see, our Android folder does not exist in here. So what we're going to do is simple. We are going to open this folder in the command prompt. So I'm gonna right click on it and then open in terminal. And then I'm going to paste the following to create our Android folder. As you can see here, click on enter. And then boom, our Android folder is now created. So I'll go back to Android Studio and try to run our application again. And it's now beginning to build. So I'm just going to give it a few moments to let it cook. Okay, so once our application is running, you can see we have our app running here. And if I can see, it's beautiful. You can see it's running in an emulator. As you can see here, we can test the app by calculating our BMI. So I'm gonna select my specifications here. I am a male and I don't know how tall I am, but I'm gonna say 150 centimeters. I have no idea if that's true or not. For my weight, I weigh something like 80 kilos. And for my age, I'm gonna keep it at 22 so that you guys don't know how old I am. But once I click on calculate BMI here, I can scroll down and I can see that my BMI is not good, as you can see there. So in order to turn this application here into an APK, what you need to do is very simple. You are going to go back to the folder of our application here. So what I'm going to do is simply open this in a terminal window like this, and in here I'm going to simply run flutter build apk, and then I'm going to say debug to start building our apk, and then I'll just give it a few minutes to cook and get back to you. And with that, our application is built. To find it, you simply go to this directory here. So what you do is click on this folder and then go to build, and under build you're going to click on app and then output and apk and then debug, and in here you are going to find our apk here. So what I'm going to do is simply install this on my phone and show you how it looks. So the app will look like this when running on an actual phone. As you can see here, it looks excellent. This is my Android phone and I use it to test. So as you can see, our application looks okay. It works perfectly. It is very impressive to me that we built this thing in like 5 minutes without coding at all. So if you want to be able to build stuff like this, I'm building a course for Flutter and Flutterflow. If you want access to that, please subscribe and like the video so that you get notified when that course releases. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.